But another thing is, like, in Street Fighter and pretty much Tekken as well, frame data matters a lot more than you would imagine. You want to get your feint set up, but Dan Hooker doesn't really have that good of footwork. But it's possible. It just depends who your opponent is. Okay, he has that very right jab. Now he's already slipping and throwing strikes. Punish it. Don't let him get away with that, because he'll think it. Okay. Already defending the body. Okay. Alright, bro. But like I was saying, some of the frame data uses in this game are very minimal because of like the frame timing. Like there's only 2 frame difference in 10 kick speed. See, perfect punish. Throws a head kick, punish. So it kind of doesn't make sense why people would even look at the frame data. I guess it's a little important, but the way you use it, this guy isn't thinking very hard, is he? Why would you do that? Gotta keep him thinking. Okay, he's chewing up my leg. 1-2 in boxing range? It's crazy. Yeah, Baja Mendes. What are you doing? Get a miss. Lunge. Okay, hit the low kick. See, I missed 2 punches there. Now he's kind of working my legs a bit more than I would like. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I'm changing. Alright. Yeah, you have to intercept it now. I think Bahamundes has a very high kick speed. I remember the low kicks used to take a lot more stamina to throw for like a low kick game plan. He finally caught on. Now we're gonna exploit that. Yep. Caught him on a low kick. Got him down. You don't need a grappler, and it is like a travesty if you're grappling with like Anderson Silva or Adesanya or something like that. You don't deserve no respect. I don't know what his game plan was there, but as you can see, the staminas aren't the same. Like I was saying with the frame data, is that if you look up any like frame trap video or like how does frame data work video, you'll notice that like in like Street Fighter, it takes like 3 frames for a strike to be put out by, I think, like, let's just say Ryu. Like his jab is 3 frames. And let's say he throws his 2 and it's 6 frames. A jab will always intercept his straight, I'm pretty sure, something like that. If you hit somebody with a faster framed strike compared to a slower framed strike, it will create a frame trap and it will create openings. There's like only 2 frames in this game that are different. It's just the jab and the kicks. Okay. This guy's kind of stupid. But if he beats me, I'm trash. I don't know what your game plan is here. What are you doing? What am I? Okay, that was a good body kick. Okay. Can't really get the footsies out. Low kicks do destroy your footwork, for sure. made him miss that rear hook. It opens up these openings like that. Hey, don't even be afraid to move side to side on something like this. I don't understand what he's doing here. Caught him perfectly on that. Created opening. Made him miss the straight. Free damage off that. I can't even move my head. Wow. This makes no sense, to be honest. Caught on a perfect kick. But, you know, I don't... This is like, where's the intended use of the character? He's kind of just stood in my face throwing these kicks. I don't understand it. It's strange. These are some strange players on ring. You'll quickly come to realize that. Like, these are weird people. They have weird brains. Like, this guy's using a glitch on the ground. Like, where you don't get hit. But Bahamundes has evasive head movement. I don't... His block isn't strong. That's the issue. So, you see that? That is a glitch. It basically protects you from all ground and pound damage. It's dumb. It's a glitch. This guy's not smart. Pre-denies the top transition. I'm probably gonna lose this guy, to be honest. I'm not really focusing, but like, I'm out striking him comfortably. Not comfortably. I'm throwing way more than him, but nice grappling. Thank you, bud. Like, that first round I didn't throw too much, but I turned it up because of the low kicks. Alright, I'm probably gonna focus now. So I'm not gonna talk very much. Alright, doesn't want to touch gloves. Oh, wow, barely. Easy takedown. Got that heel. I'm fucking shocked. Oh, he got that Shimmeries. Alright, my footwork is cooked. Alright. Down she goes. Down she goes. So, like I was saying, I didn't play footsies right there. I was too carried away talking, so I didn't really get going on the footsies. I made him miss somewhat. It wasn't as much as I would like to make somebody miss, usually, but he didn't throw too much, and he was really good with those low kicks. He just made too many defensive mistakes with throwing the same punch over and over and stuff like that. It was quite foolish. I didn't capitalize on it, so it had conditioned him that I probably wasn't going to slip any of it. Yeah, he was going to win that fight. He was 100% going to win that fight. That's why you can't leave it up to the judges. I schooled him that round. You know, I hit over 50% of my strikes, I'm pretty sure. Literally 50%. That's all that matters. Look at the significant strikes difference. 34 of 66. That's about 50% over, if not 53, something like that. 118 of 235. We threw the exact same. I landed a strike more than him. Significance, smoke alarm beep, classic in my videos. 153 of 79. So I threw a lot of significant strikes. I made some mistakes. I'm rusty. 27 division points. Hopefully the patch comes out, and I'll probably focus on more, smarter approaches. Been kind of plodding my way through on ranked, but I've lost on stand and bang. Stand and bang is like the lamest shit you could play, to be honest. Because you'll just run into O'Malley's and Yairs constantly because people don't know how to play the game. Smoke alarm beep. I'm gonna figure out what is causing that fucking thing to do all this shit. It is what it is. It is what it is. Testing my sound real fast. We've came a long way. A whole 50 subscribers. I am thankful for all 50 of you. I'm gonna cut up this video, edit it a little. Probably add some sound effects. Look at this fucking shit. Already? Fucking Conor McGregor? Fuck off. Fuck off. Genuinely fuck off. Play Sean Woodson if you run into McGregors like this. Like that. Oh, sorry for the sound spike, guys. Like that. Just fucking go Sean Woodson or somebody else. Learn footsies, play Sean Woodson. Featherweight, your cheat code. Your height takes you so far. Smoke alarm beep. Alright. See, that's what I'm saying. Shit like that. I'm not gonna show him that, so. Okay. Let's get him into an exchange. Let's get him going. He's already messing. This guy doesn't know how to play the game. Yep, you wanna punish. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Nope. Yeah, let's not go for that again. Did he control where he was gonna end up? McGregor's footwork. Want to counter him? It could be as simple as a 1-2, you know what I mean? By the way, I don't really watch back these videos, smoke alarm beep, but I don't really watch back my videos too much. So I'll forget some things. Okay, yeah, he had his block up. It landed right on his login game. Thank you. Definitely gotta fix that animation. Otherwise, don't register it. Okay. This guy is an idiot. This is what stand and bang is for. Just practice your striking out. Some people are so dumb, they're kind of hard to figure out, to be honest. Like, they're so bad at the game that it takes a few seconds, you know. Whoa! Oh, fuck. I got cut open, but you see what I mean. Like, some people are too stupid that it makes it hard to figure them out. Like, this guy is an idiot. He doesn't even know down block, and he is kind of beating me because it's Conor McGregor. You want to parry with this show. Yeah, you see something like that. Yeah, but after one strike, you do become susceptible to... You kind of want to time the last strike, but in this game, anything's possible. See, he's kind of just... Yeah, he's going to quit. I can feel it. Yeah, something like that. Those 2-punch combos, you want to parry those. I believe this take a lot more stamina, too. I didn't quite pay attention to it. He popped flow state. Poor guy doesn't even know what Conor's flow state does. Oh, that was a big mistake by me. But as you can see, he kind of was... This guy isn't good, but stand and bang is not good in general, to be honest. 43 of 90. I usually never throw that much. I like to keep it like how it is right now, where he's just missing. You see how he threw nothing but significance? He didn't throw a jab or a straight, he just threw hooks. There's very important things to recognize each round. Pretty sure only hooks are counted as significant strikes anyway. Or impactful strikes. Easily caught him. Okay. I give the guy too much credit. He's not good. Just on the spacing, like, it's just McGregor's fucking footwork. Even though he's tired as shit, it's insane. Can't go out in a straight line, I forgot. You're still vulnerable to straights. I think that's Conor's animation working. What is going on? Some poor Joe Schmo. I guess it is ranked, but I don't really feel good about showing this off. Smoke on beat. I can't really focus either. Now I'm hurt. You see what I mean? It's just, you're not even losing to, like, the better player. A good chunk of the time, you're losing to a fucking fighter. Like McGregor, O'Malley, such and such. That's who you're losing to. I'll make that point, like, very clear. You're losing to the fighter. You're not losing to the player. Like, a good chunk of the time, unless they beat you with, like, a 4-star fighter, you're losing to the fighter. Like Robert Whittaker, Philly Shell, you're losing to the Shell. Stuff like that. Or like you're fighting a Featherstep fighter. Those are like cases where you're actually losing to the fighter. If you're losing to somebody playing like a Bisping or like Smoke Alarm Beep, maybe a Smoke Alarm Beep, you never know. Shit, anything's possible. If you're losing to people who are clearly better than you, you'll notice it. Like, I fought, like, I think a top 10 guy from UFC 5. He was, like, top 10 UFC 5. His name was, like, Frosty anyway. He knew footsies. I mean, he kind of just threw the most random stuff. And it shocked me because I have too much of an expectation for smart play. And, like, throwing crispy combos. That makes sense, but... I mean, actually, how are you level 50, max level... and completely suck? I actually don't feel bad. That's kind of his fault for being that bad. 63 of 138. Not the best, but not the worst, I guess. Could be way worse. Like, anyway, I don't know. This has become a very long yap session. Smoke alarm beep. I think that's it for this one, to be honest.